Hey guys, it's your girl Bree.
And your boy Playing. Bye. Welcome back to
our
our channel.
And what we're doing today, drumroll please, is we're doing our gingerbread house. Let me show you what the cake got. Okay. Okay. We need to ask our mom to help us with the gingerbread house.
Come here, Mom.
Mom! We need help with our gingerbread house.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see what we have here. We have pre-cut house.
A
We
frosting.
have frosting. What is this, Brady?
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum.
Ooh, let's see.
And some flour candy.
Flour candy.
And fruit chews, like Tootsie Rolls.
Yeah.
I like those.
And then we have dots.
Dots.
I've been on that.
Dots are really good.
And we have
Trusty Bowl.
chocolate Tootsie Rolls.
Woohoo!
All right, let's get this stuff out of the way.
Let's get this baby started.
All right, I'm back. Okay.
Yeah, baby.
All right, Super Squad fans out there. Mom is more than happy to help.
Okay, can you please cut this?
And you always want to ask Mom or Dad for help, especially if you need scissors.
Oh my God.
Let's see.
Scissors are dangerous. So, and nice are like scissors because it cut my mom right up on that hand. Like,
Yep, they did.
real.
So it looks like we're going to have to do this in 2 parts, okay?
Okay.
The first part we're going to do today
Frosting.
is the frosting.
Yeah, baby. So is it
You mean the crackers?
Are you gonna? What? Do they smell good? They smell good. They smell like cinnamon. Are we gonna eat it?
So I'm going to say that these 2 parts are the what? Front and
The back.
the front and back. So it'll go like this.
Okay.
And then this looks like it will be the what? What do you think this part?
It looks like it will be the roof.
The roof. It's going to be the
And
roof.
this is gonna be the window.
Yep, the
And
windows.
the window.
And this is pretty cool because these are interlocking. So what that means is all we have to do is just put
I'm
it
just
in
making
like
these
that.
soft.
Like this.
They look hard.
They made it so much easier for us to put together. You see that? Alright, so we're going to cut a corner.
Do you always hold the scissors like this?
Or more like this.
Yeah.
So we won't.
So you don't stab nobody with it like this. Oh my God. Like that.
Okay.
Oh,
Alright, look. Let's start.
Yeah.
So,
Boy.
cut this. This is a nice little hole. Wait. We don't want to stick it.
I want to eat some.
Yeah, I want to
So
eat
we gotta save some for. Okay, so Bria, I want you to put some frosting on here.
It smells good.
Okay.
It smells like steak.
So put it on here.
It's steak, but it looks good.
Put it on here.
Let me see.
Put it on here. Put it on here. Okay. So as you can see, I'm having Bria apply it to the side, so we can put this in there. Put this down. Put this down. Let's see. Put this down and put this side. Put this here. Connect this. Nope, wrong way. Yes, right there. Put it in there. Yeah, let's see. All right. Uh-oh. Guys, comment down below if we should be doing it a different way. Because as you can see, it's not sticking. Right? Okay. All right, so now we got that. Now, Brayden, you do this side.
Oh, it's messy.
Brayden, put it on this side.
Just
I'm gonna help you squeeze. Yeah. Put it, squeeze it in. Yeah, maybe.
You gotta make sure the thing is good. Cause
Is it good? Is the frosting good?
yeah, it's
And
like
guys, always remember, before you mess with food, wash.
your hand.
Yes. You're good. All right, look, let's push this on here.
Okay.
All right. Okay, now I'm going to do the front. See if I can make this baby stick.
big stick.
This might be easier if we had a knife. Let us know in the comments below how to make it a little easier for us. We've done this before, but now with the interlocking.
It's good.
I can't stop licking it so good.
Okay, so we got the
I
house
can't
on.
help myself.
I love you and nobody else. What do you know about that song? What do you know about that song?
I can't help myself.
I love you and nobody else. So
Yeah,
we're gonna have to
remember
let
that-
this
that
dry,
TV
you
show?
guys. Remember, okay?
Try looking.
No, we can't lick it. Now we
No,
have to
your
put this,
hands.
the
I want to
front
lick your
part.
hand.
Wait. When you're all done,
Wait, let me see something. Let me see.
I'll lick your hands.
Yeah, that's a good idea. You should lick one.
That's pretty nasty. So now I gotta do all of it because y'all licking and putting your fingers in your mouth. Yes.
It's so good we can't help ourselves.
I don't know what's happening, but it's not staying. All right. So as you can see, I'm putting on the
The
frosting,
belt, it's melting.
and we're gonna let it dry once we get it all hooked up. Let's see. These are interlocking, and they are pretty cool and kind of easy.
But
It can get a little messy.
Ain't ready. Because he licked his hand.
So guys, as you can see,
That's the elf. That now.
the elf did that.
Yeah.
I haven't seen him in a couple days. We need to find him. Maybe this is just not going to work very well as I thought it would. All right, so we got it back up. It's okay. Ta-da!
yay, it came out pretty.
To do
It's
is
not that pretty because they don't got
we don't have the decorations on. So guys, stay tuned because we're going to be decorating it tomorrow.
Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.